Best practices for crafting irresistible email subjects. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. A compelling subject line is your first chance to grab attention. Let's explore best practices for crafting irresistible email subjects that boost your open rates. Keep it short and sweet. Aim for around 6 to 10 words. This ensures your subject line is visible on mobile devices and grabs attention quickly. A concise message encourages curiosity and prompts readers to click. Personalization is key. Incorporate the recipient's name or specific interests. Personalized subject lines can increase open rates by up to 50%. Make your audience feel valued and more likely to engage with your content. Create a sense of urgency. Use time-sensitive language that encourages readers to act immediately. Phrases like limited time offer or last chance create a feeling of urgency, compelling recipients to open your email right away. Include actionable language. Start with verbs and create a call to action within your subject line. For instance, discover, unlock, or join motivates readers to take the next step. A or B test your subject lines. Don't be afraid to experiment. Send variations of your subject lines to different segments of your audience and analyze which ones yield the best results. This will help you refine your strategy over time. Crafting irresistible email subjects is crucial for unlocking the potential of your email marketing campaigns. Remember these best practices to enhance your open rates and drive engagement. Want to learn more? Visit spit.com.au.